It's already 9:30 in the evening and it is about to close my day. Just when I thought I should record something about my today's experiences. Today I saw one of my trust, my intuition kind of coming true. It was basically a fear. This is election time and forgive me for talking politics, but we are part of a constitutional country which is kind of on the verge of a very, very momentous phase of history where our own unique identity is at stake. We are becoming very divisive and it concerns me. Hope it also concerns you. But more than that, I was worried because all the tensions will come into the life of mid-career professionals who are stuck. They will feel more stuck, more stagnated, more depressed, and nothing will come their way to help them get rid of that stagnation unless they self-motivate themselves. And how do they do? When everything is depressing around them, how I do is I keep on doing whatever is given to me and I keep on achieving a small bits about it and it consolidates. Why life has, I don't know why I am calling life as life, but life has taught me that only 20% of the things in life is in control, at least for me. The rest 80% we cannot imagine. I haven't ever envisaged things which will come to my, what you can say, come to my lap. I haven't even imagined. How I attracted them is because I kept on dreaming, I kept on doing my bit. Only that can be under control. I can never be tired emphasizing that because that is what I have experienced. So when you feel kind of very, very stagnated, very depressed, just do those few things that you know how to do. And you know what gives you pleasure doing it. Maybe you are skilled at that or you have your own way of doing it which nobody can do your way. So be confident about that and there is nothing to lose out here because this is something which you enjoy, what you want to do. And when you do, it may not be the best that somebody else expects, but it should be the best of your ability. And you can do it. Why? Because you love to do it. And that is your USP. Hope you understand this. And this is a very big mission that I want to convey to you. Because unless you are happy at workplace, you cannot contribute your bit to the workplace. If you are not happy, if you are not enjoying your work, hope you love what I say and follow this and be happier. And if you want anything from me, a suggestion or a discussion, I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and share. And if you like my channel, do please subscribe to it so that you can get whenever I post a video.